After watching this video, you will come to know how easy it is to use L293D motor driver IC. So without wasting time, let's get started. In this video, I'm going to use Arduino Nano to control this motor driver IC, but you can use Arduino UNO, Arduino Mega or any other board. So now place your Arduino Nano on the breadboard. Here we have L293D motor driver IC. Now place it on the breadboard. Now connect pin number 4 and 5 with each other. Now connect pin number 4 to ground. Connect pin number 8 to VCC. Connect pin number 2 to digital pin second. Now connect pin number 7 to digital pin 3. Now connect pin number 1 to digital pin 5. Now connect pin number 3 to any rail of breadboard, and similarly pin number 6 to any other rail. Now these two jumpers will be used for connecting the motor. Here I am demonstrating this only for one motor. Now connect the wires of the motor to the respective rails. Now let's have a look at our code. Here I have declared IN1, IN2, IN3, IN4, ENA and ENB pins, which are connected to pin number 2, 3, 4, 7, 5 and 6 respectively. Now note that IN1, IN2, IN3 and IN4 pins must be digital pins, but ENA and ENB pins must be PWM pins. Now here I have declared EN speed equals to 100 to control the speed of the motors. Here only motor 1 will work. Now you can copy the same code. Now change 1 to 3, 4. Now upload this code. Now after uploading this code, both the motors will rotate in the same direction. and with the same speed. Now if you want to reverse the direction of one motor or both the motors, change this high to low and this low to high. Now the mode, and again upload this code. Now motor 1 will rotate in the opposite direction as that of motor 2. This is all about this code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If my videos helped you, then please consider supporting us on Patreon. The links are given in the description below.